friends, today I'm going to help you make hoverboard. First you need this piece, and then connect it. And then put it under the shirt. Then you need one of this piece, and then add it to its hand. To put like this. Then you need one of this piece. Put two of these pieces over here, and then you need one of this piece.